The Amazon Secured Card in 2025 is designed for people who are building or rebuilding their credit and may not yet qualify for a traditional unsecured credit card. It requires a refundable security deposit starting at around $100, which also serves as your initial credit limit. This deposit acts as collateral and helps minimize risk for the lender while giving cardholders a chance to establish a positive payment history. Over time, responsible use of the card can lead to eligibility for graduation to an unsecured version, at which point the deposit is returned. One of the standout features of this secured card is its low fixed APR of about 10%, which is significantly lower than most secured or store cards that often carry high variable interest rates. There is no annual fee, making it more accessible to those who are just starting to rebuild credit. For Amazon Prime members, the card also offers 2% back on Amazon purchases, which adds extra value for frequent shoppers on the platform. However, if you're not a Prime member, the rewards are more limited, which may reduce its appeal. In terms of credit building, the Amazon Secured Card reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is essential for establishing a reliable credit history. It also provides access to tools like a credit score dashboard to help users track their progress. After about 12 months of consistent on-time payments, cardholders may qualify to upgrade to an unsecured Amazon Store card, which removes the security deposit requirement. There are some trade-offs with this card. It can only be used on Amazon, which limits its flexibility compared to general-purpose secured credit cards that work anywhere Visa or MasterCard are accepted. The starting credit limit is tied to the deposit, which may be low for some users and could make it challenging to maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Rewards are decent if you are already paying for Prime, but without it, the benefits are less impressive. Overall, the Amazon Secured Card in 2025 is a strong option for people who shop regularly at Amazon and want a straightforward way to build credit responsibly. Its low interest rate, lack of annual fee, and clear upgrade path make it an appealing choice. Still, it may not be the best fit for someone looking for a more versatile card that can be used outside of Amazon purchases.